How to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. For that, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure to sign in on your Snapchat account, then tap on Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Once you get access to your settings page, tap on Bitmoji option, and here you can see the option of edit my Bitmoji. Tap on it. So once you reach on this page, let me make you clear that this page allows you to change your avatar appearance or the outfit but not your gender. So you need to come back from this page by tapping on the cross icon at top left corner of the screen, and here simply tap on unlink my Bitmoji at bottom of the screen. Now tap on remove in order to confirm. Let's tap on create my avatar option, and here you can simply select another gender that you want to set the Bitmoji of. If you want to center face, you can center the face, otherwise tap on skip at top right corner of the screen. Now from here you can easily set your another gender's Bitmoji. So that's how we change our Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Although it's time consuming, but it's the only way we can do to change our Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.